assistant to students doing their assignments.
Okay.
So it's a group of writers from Kenya, all over the country. So basically what we normally do here is just to look for jobs, then we post it on our group for different writers who are conversant in different subjects.
Okay.
For example, we have writers who are doing accounting, others are doing business studies.
Okay.
So that's basically what we do.
Okay. Very good.
Center has helped us doing this, those research. Because we normally do it with our phones. It's very expensive.
Okay.
But with this facility,
so do you have internet here now?
Yeah, we have internet connection here.
From Safaricom or?
Yes, we are in Safaricom, but we are planning to connect the fiber.
The fiber?
Yes.
Okay. Very good. So, tell us a story.
Okay, so the company normally posts the jobs here. You look at the jobs and see if you can handle them.
Okay.
Like this one, these are the jobs that they are posted. This current, the jobs that we have given us to do.
All that.
All these are the ones that we have completed.
Okay.
Then the one that comes here in finance.
Okay.
Like for the 2 weeks, we have done $564. That's the 75,000 Kenyan shillings.
Oh, very good.
So we pay the writers, and the usually we get to share percent.
Yeah, pole.
So,
yeah. Ah, very good.
Because we are graduates,
Okay.